Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the layout of presentation, and you want to change the layout of your presentation, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open that presentation, or if you want to import that, you can also do that. You have to click on the file, and after that you have to click on the open, and then you have to choose that presentation. And after choosing that, simply what we have to do, simply we have to go to the layout option. As you can see, it has the layout option, and now we have to choose the theme, which theme you want. For example, if you want this theme, you have to click on this. As you can see, now it will look like this. So if you want to drag this, I'm going to drag this here, and now it will work like this. So as you can see, now it's changed. If you're going to layout again, and you can also change again, for example, I'm going to put this one. So as you can see, now it's done. In this way, you can change the layout of your presentation. You can also press the Ctrl Z and the Ctrl Y for your redo. So if you, I'm going to click on this. As you can see, if you want to change the theme, you can also do that. You have to click on the theme option, and you will get the different types of theme here. So in this way, you can change the layout of your presentation. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.